Today we're diving into the AMANSON PC Case, a sleek and feature-packed mid-tower gaming case designed to elevate your PC building experience. Whether you're a seasoned builder or a first-timer, this case promises to blend style, functionality, and cooling performance into one impressive package. With its pre-installed ARGB fans, panoramic tempered glass, and support for large radiators, it's clear this case is built for gamers and enthusiasts who demand both aesthetics and performance. Let's talk about what makes this case stand out. First, the 9 pre-installed PWM ARGB fans are a game changer. Not only do they provide exceptional airflow to keep your components cool, but they also create a stunning visual effect with customizable lighting. The panoramic tempered glass side panel showcases your build in all its glory, while the inclusion of a USB Type-C port ensures modern connectivity. Another highlight is its support for up to a 360mm radiator, making it a great choice for liquid cooling setups. The spacious interior accommodates ATX motherboards and offers plenty of room for cable management, which is a huge plus for builders who hate clutter. In real-world use, the AMANSON PC case delivers on its promises. The airflow from the 9 fans keeps temperatures in check, even during intense gaming sessions, and the ARGB lighting adds a vibrant touch to any setup. The build quality feels solid, and the tempered glass panel is sturdy, though it's worth handling with care during installation. Users will appreciate the tool-free design for drive bays and the ease of access to components. However, there are a couple of drawbacks. The sheer number of fans can make cable management a bit tricky, especially for beginners, and the case's size, while spacious, might be a tight fit for smaller desks. Comparing it to similar cases like the Lianli Lancool 2 Mesh or the Corsair iQ 4000X, the AMANSON holds its own with its generous fan configuration and competitive pricing. While it may lack some of the premium finishes of higher-end models, it makes up for it with sheer value and performance. To get the most out of this case, take your time with cable management. Use zip ties and the built-in routing channels to keep things tidy. Also, explore the ARGB lighting software to sync the fans with your other components for a cohesive look. Overall, the AMANSON PC case is a fantastic choice for gamers and builders who want a balance of style, cooling performance, and affordability. It's especially suited for those planning liquid cooling setups or anyone who loves a bold, RGB lit aesthetic. If you're in the market for a mid-tower case that punches above its weight, this one's definitely worth considering. Thanks for tuning in, and happy building, everyone.